Hello everyone. First of all, open this link n.ustb.edu.cn/login. Enter your ID and the password is USTB and the last 6 digit of your passport. Click on the login button. You will confirm it. You will log in into the system. On the home page, just click on this and you will find this one. Click on this link. A new window will be opened, and on this new window enter your ID and the password is again your ID and login. Click on the login. Remember, the username and the password is your ID on this page. Okay, click on take exam. This is your exam. Click on to the enter exam. Thank you.